That's right, Tesla stock is doing a bullish reaction today, just after hitting its technical support line at 163. This is interesting and maybe the beginning of a bottom signal or the beginning of a dead cat bounce. What's the problem? The sentiment is not good yet. Tesla is still in a technical bear trend, and this reaction alone is just not good enough to trigger a reversal, as we still need to see more confirmation signals. Therefore, in this video, we are going to study together the most important key points to watch for in Tesla stock from here on out. My name is Nathan. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. So let's start our analysis over here looking at this chart. This is Tesla's daily chart. We just hit a technical support line, 163, which was a previous bottom level from March 13, and right now it feels like it is working as a support level again. Is this a bottom signal? Yes, it is a bottom signal. This bottom signal wasn't triggered yet. Maybe it never will be triggered, but still, it is a bottom signal above a support level. Good. This is particularly good. However, what is the problem? As I told you guys, Tesla is still in a bear trend. Recently it did a higher high followed by, a lower high followed by a lower low. Now we retested our technical support level and this is it. We are trying to react. Since it is a bear trend, any possible bounce to any of Tesla's resistance could be the 176, could be the 21 EMA, it doesn't matter. Any bounce to any of these key points over here would be extremely dangerous and might be just considered a dead cat bounce, because this is what bear trends are made of. Bear trends are made of lower highs, lower lows in sequence. Therefore, if Tesla bounces again, it is going to face very dangerous resistance areas very soon. The most important one, in my humble opinion, is still the 176. Any top level in this area would be just catastrophic. Might be the beginning of the next bearish leg that could take Tesla back to the 146, which is the next technical support level, which is again this gap area over here from the previous earnings. This is a monster gap from January 26 earnings over here. Therefore, I'm so sorry. I think Tesla reported on January 25, if I remember correctly. And then in the next day, it went up. So this is a gap. This is a very problematic gap. And there is a good chance that Tesla is going to fill this gap if we see any top signal around the 170s, between the 170s and 180s over here, which is around the 21 EMA in the daily chart. Therefore, we must be extremely cautious over here. If Tesla starts bouncing, let's not get greedy over here, because there is a good chance that this is going to be a dead cat bounce. So let's be realistic. Let's not be greedy. Let's remain calm, right? We are always so calm in this channel. So let's remain calm. Let's analyze the situation as it is and just look for important reactions around important key points in the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we see nothing but a massive bearish candlestick pattern. After Tesla hit the 21 EMA over here in the weekly chart, the 21 EMA did work as a very strong resistance level over here. Then we see a massive bearish candlestick pattern. On the bright side, Tesla is still above the 163 support level. It is going to close above 163 in the weekly chart. This is quite good. Indeed, this is a quite good situation, because maybe this movement over here, this shadow doing a brief violation of this support level, might be just considered as a false breakout. Again, the problem is that we don't see any meaningful confirmation. Yes, we are trying to react around the support area in the daily chart, but in the weekly chart, we only see bearish candlestick pattern over here. If next week we see a positive, bullish candlestick pattern, okay, Tesla is gonna avoid a sharper correction to the 146, and there is a decent chance we're gonna try to retest this purple line over here, connecting the previous top levels on Tesla, because if Tesla fails in reacting over here in this area, there is a decent chance that it could repeat the same pattern it did on November, December 2021. It did a top and then a bottom, a higher lower than the previous high, then by losing the previous support level, it just triggered the bearish sentiment that we are still living at right now at this moment. Therefore, 163, that's the most important support level to work with on Tesla right now. If Tesla loses this support level, then another crash, another catastrophic situation is going to materialize. Our first target is going to be 146. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, in the 1 hour chart, we see Tesla bouncing. Okay, that's great. However, we have yet to see a crystal clear bullish structure like a higher high, higher low, right? We don't see such structures even in the 1 hour chart. Therefore, it is going to be very, very hard for Tesla to materialize a real reversal structure in the mid or even in the long term, as long as we don't see Tesla doing bullish structures in the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart in the short term. Alright, so let's pay attention on how Tesla is going to react over here in the 1 hour chart above the 163 preferably. If we see a bullish confirmation, okay, I think we're gonna bounce. How far? Well, not that far, because we see problematic resistance levels over here in this area. Only by breaking these resistance levels, I see Tesla flying to higher levels, maybe even to break this purple line over here and triggering this ascending triangle chart pattern we see in the weekly chart. Because yes, in the weekly chart we see a bullish chart pattern over here. I'm so sorry, I think I said candlestick pattern, right? Chart pattern. We see a quite powerful chart pattern over here in the weekly chart. We see an ascending triangle. If Tesla breaks this ascending triangle upwards, it is going to do one of the most powerful bullish reversals that I ever saw in my life in roughly 10 years of trading. Therefore, this is going to be very interesting. Right now, it is an extremely critical situation for Tesla. And of course, I'm going to keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. Therefore, if you are not my subscriber, come on, what the heck are you doing? Subscribe to this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis on Tesla stock. And if you want to have access to premium analysis and strategies on Tesla, SPY, and other stocks, take a look at my website. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Bye bye.